here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. Today has been a busy day. Actually, today was a day that I pruned everything in the front, my topiaries, and got everything cleaned up and all the food fed. But tonight, I am going to a birthday party with a dear friend that loves gardening as well. And if I'm lucky enough, she'll share her garden with me because I'm going to her house first. And look what I got from my own garden for her birthday. Isn't that pretty? You guys, most of these are from floret seeds except for the purple coneflowers, but the other were all seeds. And then, well, except for the yellow, what was that called? Anyways, but the rest, the dahlias, the zinnias, the celosia, were all from floret flowers seeds, and I grew them. My little babies, look, they grew up. Anyways, hopefully I can share her garden with you. It's really windy. I think it might rain today, but we might get lucky and get to see her garden. So come along with me and let me show you her beautiful garden at Catherine's house. This is my beautiful friend, Catherine, and she loves gardening just as much as I do. And if you can see behind me, oh my gosh, look how gorgeous her garden is. And it's her birthday. Cheers, Catherine. And thank you for letting me video your garden today.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
So,
Thank you. But, and that blooms white lilies and, uh-oh, Shelly, don't break. No. Oh, she got it. She's good. Should we be quiet?
no, I was going to have you explain. Go
Oh,
ahead.
Okay.
You were talking about she loves this side right here.
Yeah, I'm very happy with the perennial bed. It's got a couple annuals, but most of that's perennials, and we keep adding things.
Mm-hmm.
And Gary has 24 specialty lilies that he's purchased from a friend at work.
And we get to see them bloom today.
Yes, they're beautiful. Unfortunately, the deer love them too, so
Yeah.
that's why we have fishing line fenced.
All right, I did that this year too.
It works.
Yep.
And then he's created a new bed and moved 12 lilies into here, and we added additional infrastructure plants because they were too shaded. They really do want full sun.
Right. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, and it's a little bit of the tail end of the yarrow, but that's called paprika yarrow, and it was beautiful red, and I actually like the way it's fading to that straw color.
I've got some of that too, and it actually still looks pretty after it's spent.
It does. It's very pretty. And then we have a variety of your proven winner, the daisy back there.
Yeah.
That's doing very well. I
Right.
have them in the front as well.
Butterfly bushes.
Yeah. And
Is that the Pinkster Pink?
that is the Pugster Pink. Or Pink River,
Okay,
yes. I can't recall the
Shelby.
names, I'm sorry. Yeah, the roses, they came and they'll come again.
Right.
I had to cut
Mine
them
are
back a little
out of
bit.
bloom too.
Yeah, and the same with lavender. It came
Yeah.
and was a wonderful attraction for the pollinators. And now we've got the Vitex is about to start really blooming. That's a great summer plant. It's not native, but the pollinators do love it.
Yeah,
And
it's big.
It's good shelter for the birds. So one
Right.
thing we've noticed this year, because we have, infrastructure, we have all the elements for wildlife in terms of shelter, food, water, and we get a wide variety of birds. We love our frogs, our toads, the lizards, and we have virtually no bugs. So for all of you
Wow.
gardeners,
Why no bugs?
because we have things that eat them. Birds, bats, lizards,
Yeah.
toads, and
I
frogs.
have all that too, and they're not. I
And
still have bugs.
do you? Well, we've been very lucky.
I'm still battling with some aphids, not a whole lot, and then Japanese beetles. Even though I sprayed for the that fertilium shrub and drench whatever, I still have some.
So what I have beetles that come and they do attack my roses, and I leave them alone, and they leave in about 10 days.
Do they?
So I learned. It's early on back on Lake Hartwell. I had beetle traps. I tried all different kinds of things, and I finally just left it alone one year. And I'm like, oh, they leave! Yay!
Yeah. Well, I'm sure that a lot of people will appreciate you saying that, because there's still a lot of people that comment on my channel that they like just to let things be and let other things take care of other things.
So we have a massive bullfrog in that pond, and 2 weeks ago we had 4 big bullfrogs. So I looked it up. I said, why would there be 4 frogs in a tiny pond? And it's because the females are attracted to more males if there's more in one place.
Oh.
So, and I read about bullfrogs. They eat everything. They
Okay.
eat bugs. They eat fish, and we do have fish in there. They eat birds if they can get them. I mean, they're, carnivores.
Wow.
So, yeah.
All right, well, I'm going to get closer and show everybody
Okay,
how
good.
beautiful it is.
Perfect, thank you.
This is that gorgeous plant that she was saying that the pollinators love, and look, already. They do. This is beautiful. It's just a really big plant. I would love to have that. You guys know I could show bees all day long, but look how beautiful the plant is. It almost looks like my Beyond Coreopsis a little bit. It's gorgeous. Her sweet dog Shelby. She is a sweet dog too. All right, let's go start on the side here. And we'll save the best for last, or I feel like it's the best for last. There's Celosia, Nepida, Creeping Jenny. She's got some spurge, salvia. Look at me, I know most of this stuff. Dahlias. I love that dark foliage with that hot pink or purplish bloom. Maybe this is tall phlox, I'm assuming. That's a gorgeous bloom. I love that she's repeated all the dahlias. And then the ones that she doesn't have looks gorgeous too. There's this color, and then there's a pink in the back. Her Leantris, or I think that's what it's called, is blooming. Mine's not blooming yet, but it's not all the way in the full sun. And look at that tall verbena. I just bought some of that. So I definitely need to put that towards the back of the garden. But you guys, just look at this. The salvia, the blue salvia with that purple in the back of the tall verbena. It's very pretty. That's a great combination. I see some Russian sage. And then she's got some emerald green arborvitaes. More Leantris. A little sitting area. And of course, the deer, she does have a lot of deer, so she's doing exactly what I did with the fishing line, and it works, she says. It's keeping them out. So these are her gorgeous daylilies that are more rare, she said. They only last one day, that's why they're called daylily, but they're so pretty. I think that might be some type of clematis, maybe? Not sure, I'll have to ask her. Look at this striking orange. She's got a lot of art. She loves art. I love this one. I think this is my favorite. And then just very woodland right up through here. Right, Catherine said this is a balloon flower. I love that it's could be purple, could be blue, right? And this is her new garden. Doesn't it look pretty just to be brand new? He mixes daylilies in here as well. Lots of butterfly bushes. I'm amazed that she never sprays. Maybe I should learn from her. Lamb's ear. But I don't have any bullfrogs because I don't have water. Gorgeous sunflower. She said she loves the birds. I do too. And that verbena, that tall verbena, is just striking to me. I bought 3 of those at the nursery because we planted some in Dawn's garden. Bonnie's garden, and they were gorgeous. And this is Candy Cuff, the Candy Spirea. Saying that wrong. It's a Spirea though. Candy Corn Spirea. There we go. And then she's got the little fence against here too, the little fishing line. Hers is a little bit more sturdier than mine. Maybe I should do a sturdier one. And then look at the waterfall, you guys. Isn't this gorgeous? So she has a hill. And if you have a hill, this is the perfect garden for you. It's pricey, not gonna lie, but it's gorgeous if you can afford it. This wouldn't really work for my garden because mine's downhill instead of, like mine goes down this way instead of hers coming this way towards her. So for her, it's gorgeous. Lavender, she says, already gone out of bloom. I love all the lily pads. I'm sure the frogs do too. You just listen to the sound. You guys, isn't it gorgeous? Gorgeous sound. Her yarrow in the back's already gone out of bloom, but still looks really great. She's got some scavolia, salvia, lavender. I think this is the Spanish lavender. Roses have gone out of bloom. She's got some cute yard too. And just, I love the layering and texture of this going up. Isn't that beautiful? I love the lamb's ear and then whatever she's got behind that. It's just layered with different colors and textures. That's so pretty. She's got lots of this tall phlox or tall verbena. Bumblebees on there. Her super bells are doing really good. She must have good drainage for those. Shelby's over here checking me out. Hi, Shelby. Hey, babies. Yeah. Tall salvia back there striking, and then I love the driftwood coming through there too. It's beautiful. If I ever just had to stay home, I could stay at my home and I could stay at Catherine's home and never have to go anywhere and be happy. What do you guys think? Could you be happy here? She's just got a lot going on. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look how good this is filled up on her arbor. I'll have to see what it is. Jasmine. Sunseeker Caroline jasmine. I bet that smells awesome as much as it is. Everything's beautiful. I love it. I got her ferns. She's got some tropical hibiscus too. Pinks over there. Caladiums. She's got a very good little space to hang out with. Some lantana down here. You got a ball? You got a ball, Shelby? What you gonna do with it? Huh? What you gonna do with it? Yeah, do you want me to play? Do you want me to play? Huh? Are you gonna go get it? Here you go. Here you go. Go get it. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. You gonna hand it to me? Yeah. You drop it? Huh? There you go. She's a good puppy. And then here's her lantana. Just gorgeous. I love it, y'all. Beautiful. Well, you guys, I hope this was inspirational. It's beautiful. I love looking at other people's gardens, and I get inspiration from other people as well as you do. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Give Catherine lots of likes, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.